I want this robotic arm to place a cube on the table, but the cube continues to move with the arm because it's a child of the arm. The cube should only be a child of the arm until it places the cube down. Then the cube is independent from the arm. You can achieve this using constraints. First, if the object is already parented, go to the frame you want the disconnection to happen and unparent the object by selecting it, right-clicking, going to Parent, and choosing Clear Parent. Next, make sure the child object is at the location where you want the switch to happen, and while selected, open Constraints, Add Object Constraint, Child of. Hit Target and choose the parent object for the child to be connected to. Lastly, go to the exact frame you want the disconnection to happen. Keyframe the influence value, which should be 1, by pressing the circle next to the value. Then go one frame forward, set the influence to 0, and make another keyframe. Now, influence is set to 1 until the cube is let go. Then it changes to 0 and the cube is independent from the arm.